Hello pupil teacher, today we are going to discuss on how to make a lesson plan on angle and its type. Firstly, you have to write date, class, subject, topic, period and duration. Proceeding further towards the general aims. So let's see what are the general aims. To develop interest in pupil for math subject, to make people aware of mathematical facts for use in daily life, to develop analytical attitude in pupil, to develop logical reasoning and analytical thinking in students, to prepare children for elementary as well as higher education in mathematics. Specific objective. There are 6 levels in specific objectives and each one of them is having their own objectives. So let's see what are they. First level is knowledge level. Students will be able to have general knowledge about angles. Students will learn angles. Second level is understanding level. Students will be able to understand about angles. Students will be able to understand importance of angles. Our third level is application level. Students will be able to apply knowledge about angles. Students will be able to apply this knowledge while studying angles. Our fourth level is analysis level. Students will be able to analyze the importance of angle. Students will analyze the use of angles. And the fifth level is synthesis level. Students will be able to synthesize basic concepts of angles. Students will be able to classify about angles. And the sixth and the last level is evaluation level. Students will be able to evaluate about angles. Students will be able to evaluate the role of angles. Now let's see what are the material required for making a lesson plan. Model, chart paper, chalk, duster, pointer and a blackboard. Previous knowledge. Students have previous knowledge about angles. So before introducing a topic to students, you have to ask some questions from the students so you will be able to check their previous knowledge. The question format should be in a zigzag level, means that the first question answers is comes with the second question. Let's see what is it. First question, have you all seen a protector? Students response, yes, we have seen protector. Second question, what is the shape of protector? It is in the shape of D. The third question, how many degrees are given on this D protector? Total 180 degrees given on D protector. What are these angles used to make? These degrees are used to make angles. And the fifth question, if I make an angle of 60 degree, what type of angle is it called? Problematic question. So you have seen that the question format is in zigzag. Now we will introduce the topic, that is, students, today we shall learn about angle and its types. So now we will make the presentation. You have to write serial number, then teaching point, then pupil teacher activity, then student response. Proceeding further, developmentary question you have to ask first. First question is, what is angle defined? The student response, when two sides combine at common point. The second question, what type of angle is 60 degree? No response. Now you will introduce the topic to the student that we are going to study about acute angle. After that you will explain. When two rays meet at a common end point, it is known as angle. The range of angle is from 0 degree to 360 degree. The angle which are less than 90 degree are known as acute angle. For example, 45 degree, 50 degree, 70 degree, 75 degree and etc. On the right hand side of the presentation, we will write teaching method, material aids and blackboard work. The teaching method is the type of the question we have asked, that is question answer method, and the explanation we have given says explanation method. Material aid is in the form of chart you will have to make, and this is the blackboard work that you have to write on the blackboard. Our next teaching point is obtuse angles. First you have to ask some developmentary question. First is, what is unit of angles? Then a student will respond, unit of angle is degree. Second question, what is the type of angle is 105 degree? Students, no response. Now we will introduce the topic and say, students, today we are going to discuss about obtuse angles, and then you will explain the topic. The explanation is, the angle which are greater than 90 degree are called obtuse angle. The range of obtuse angle is from 90 degree to 180 degree. All angles between the range are called obtuse angle. For example, 105 degree, 120 degree, 135 degree, etc. Students' response you will write, students will listen carefully. See on the right hand side what is written, teaching method. Teaching method is the method, the question you have asked. That is, in the developmentary question you are asking the question as students are responding. So this is a method of question answer method. And in explanation you are explaining and students are only listening. So this is a only explanation method. Now in material 8, this is a small representation that you have to make it in a chart paper, and this is a blackboard work that you have to write in on the blackboard. Our third teaching point is right angle. So in this, first are the developmentary question. First is, what is the value of each angle of a square? The student response, value of each angle is 90 degree. And the second question, what is 90 degree angle called? No response. Then you will introduce that we are going to discuss about right angle. Then you will explain the angle which are exactly 90 degree are called right angle. The right angle has only value 90 degree. For example, angle of a square and rectangle is of 90 degree. And students here will listen carefully. In teaching method, first is the developmental question is of type of question answer method, and the explanation is of explanation method. Material 8, this is you have to make it in a chart paper, and this blackboard work you have to write on the blackboard. Comprehensive question. Comprehensive questions are those questions which you have to write it on the chart paper and then one by one ask it from the students, and when they will answer you have to write this on their answer on the blackboard. See what are the questions. The first question is, what is the range of acute angle? Second question, what is the range of obtuse angle? Third question, what is the range of right angle? Fourth question, what type of angle is 45 degree? And fifth question, what type of angle is 115 degree? So one by one you will ask the question from the student, and when they will respond you have to write one by one the answers on the blackboard. After that you will ask the students to write down all the answers from the blackboard in their copy and then supervise them. Proceeding further toward the recapturatory question. Recapturatory question are those questions which you have to ask from the student to check their knowledge, what they have gained from the today's topic. So I have asked to fill in the blanks. The first question is, acute angle is of dash then 90 degrees. Second question, obtuse angle is dash then 90 degree. Third question, right angle is dash to 90 degree. Fourth question, 50 degrees and angle. Fifth question, 150 degrees and dash angle. After that you will give homework to the students, that is write down one acute angle, one obtuse angle and 90 degree